Good morning. I am Anil Agarwal, former Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank. So, yesterday in group discussion, we had the topic importance of Mangalega. Now, some of the participants they could understand the topic, whereas others could not. Now, some participants were asking, can we criticize the topic, or we can talk against the topic, or we can give other views. Now, first of all, we have to understand why group discussion is being conducted. Now, this group discussion is being conducted to check the capability of the candidates to work for an organization. The organization means the organization has some task for you. Are you able to participate in that task in the same direction so that this task is accomplished? If a person is not able to participate towards fulfillment of that task, that means he is not a person who is fit for such organization. So once the task is well set, like in this topic, importance of Mangalega. That means the examiner wants to see your capabilities to highlight usefulness of the scheme. He has not asked you to critically examine the scheme. He has not asked you to give shortcomings of the scheme. He has not asked you to give suggestions to improve the scheme. He has not given this task. The task given is there is a scheme named as Mangalega. What is its importance? Importance means usefulness. Usefulness for whom? To whom it is directed. Whether it is useful or not, that is a different aspect. He is only asking that how it is useful and why it is created for such targeted group. That means if you are able to see through the salient feature of the scheme, those are unique. That means you have a critical mind. You are a person who understands the things. You are a person who can participate in an activity and accomplish that activity to its perfection. Now, what is the uniqueness in this scheme? What is the importance of this scheme? What is the usefulness of this scheme? The first part is it is a employment guarantee scheme. That means it incorporates the guarantee. Guarantee means if a person is living in rural area, he is assured of something, and that something is employment. That employment may be adequate or inadequate. That is secondary issue. The important issue is guarantee, because in all sort of employments, the person seeks the employment. It is the prerogative of employer either to engage him or not to engage him. But in this scheme, this prerogative is taken away. Now it is guarantee. That means the government stand as a guarantor that this person, if he is otherwise eligible, he will get this job. Now, wages can be adequate, maybe inadequate. That is not the question here. Question is importance. So, usefulness is there is a person who is unemployed. He or she is being guaranteed by the government that he or she will get the employment on the terms set in the scheme. So, first importance is guarantee. Second importance is he is provided employment in this environment of unemployment. And third is this person is given this employment in his native place. That means he is being asked to remain in the village, develop his own native place. So the third direction is that this will avoid migration of people from villages to urban areas. So that is his usefulness. Because if you can avoid the migration from one place to another, and if people are able to get employment in their own areas, they feel much more settled. So the purpose of group discussion is to check your capabilities. Certain candidates, they try to criticize, they try to put their views. It is not knowledge testing. Always make it very clear. The group discussion topics are not knowledge testing sessions. They are your skill testing sessions. They are testing some of your qualities, your traits. And these qualities may be whether this person has capability to see through the topic, whether this person has capabilities to understand the topic, whether this person is capable of seeing what others are unable to see. Means exceptional powers, exceptional capabilities, whether this person has or he is just a simple guy. Because in competition, he is looking for a better person. Because all these persons have already passed 2 stages of examination, pre and main. Now they are best of best available in the market. But still employer is looking for the best. So the best person will be who can outclass another, who has more capabilities than another person, who has more qualities than other person. So by group discussion or group task, the examiner is trying to figure out how many capabilities you have. What sort of capabilities do you have? Are you a focused person or a person who is not so focused? Because a topic is very focused, importance. And if you are talking something which is not importance, that means you are not focused. He is asking for usefulness and you are telling the shortcomings, wages are low. He is not asking that whether it is low or high. He is asking what is the use of this scheme? What is the importance of this scheme? Why this scheme is created? To help whom? Because whatever scheme is devised, it may be useful, it may not be useful. But here he is asking usefulness. So the moment we understand the topic, we are winner. And if we are simply passing our own views, we may not be getting the marks, although we may be feeling that we are participating. I think the things which I have discussed here is you are able to understand. Deliberately I am making this video only in English so that you are forced to understand English, you are forced to make efforts learning this language, because for probation officer you have to pass through an examination which is checking of your English language capabilities. Because in main examination also there is a paper of English, in pre also there is a paper of English, and in descriptive also they are testing your English writing capabilities. So these videos I will focus towards a language where you are forced to learn that language. God bless you all.